Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Shakya. I am a student of Venerable Bhante Pannakara and a volunteer with the Walk for Peace. The 2,300-mile journey from Texas to Washington DC that you may have followed. But today I'm not here to talk about the walk. I'm here because of a comment someone wrote to me in my previous meditation video, and I thought I need to make a complete video. So, if you have ever heard the word mindfulness and felt confused, if you have tried to meditate and felt like you are failing, or if you just want peace but don't know where to begin, you are in the right place. This is Mindfulness for Beginners, a complete guide. No complicated philosophy, no Pali terms you need to memorize, just simple steps, exactly how my teacher taught me. Let's begin. First question: what is mindfulness? In my 2 years of practicing, I have heard many definitions. Some say mindfulness is living in the present. Some say it's non judgmental awareness. All true, but for a beginner, too abstract, too confusing, right? So let's make it simple. What are you doing right now? Your eyes may be watching this video, but right now your mind is thinking about the past, worrying about the future, or waiting for someone's message, right? Your mind is like a monkey, jumping from branch to branch, never still. Mindfulness is simply bring your attention back to what you are doing right now. That's it. When you eat, just eat. Taste the food. When you walk, just walk. Feel your feet. When you breathe, just breathe. Notice the air. Not easy, but very simple. Mindfulness is not about stopping your thoughts. It's about learning to live with them without being controlled by them. Right? Before we go further, let me clear up the biggest myth. Most people think mindfulness means having an empty mind, no thoughts, complete silence. And when they sit to meditate, thoughts come and they think, I'm failing, and they quit. Bhante used to laugh at this. He told me once, the mind's job is to think, just like the heart's job is to beat. If you sit to meditate and thoughts come, congratulations, you have a healthy mind. Mindfulness is not about stopping thoughts. It's about not getting lost in them, right? When thought pop up, see that thought. Don't chase it, don't react it, and come back to your breath. That's it. Okay, how do we actually do mindfulness? My teacher always said, start with the breathing. Why? Because your breath is always with you, always in the present moment. You can't breathe in the past, you can't breathe in the future. Breathing only happens right now, right? So here's a simple practice, just try with me. First of all, sit comfortably in a quiet place. Gently close your eyes and take a slow deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Feel the air entering your nostrils. Slowly breathe out Observe the cool sensations as the breath comes in and observe the warm sensation as the breath goes out. Now again, breathe naturally, don't force it, and this time place one hand on your chest and another hand on your belly. Breathe in, feel the rise, breathe out, feel the fall. That's it. If your mind wanders, and it will, don't judge yourself, simply notice it, simply observe it, and gently bring your attention back to the breath, back to the rise and fall. Bhante used to say, the wandering mind is not a mistake. The mistake is not coming back, right? So, whenever thought pop up, say silently, thought, 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 and come back to breathing. That's it. That's the mindfulness, right? Bhante Pannakara said, don't try to meditate for 20 minutes if you can't do 1 minute mindfully. Most people give up because they set the bar too high. They think I must meditate for 30 minutes every morning, and when they miss one day, feel guilty, miss another, and soon they stop completely. So always start with 1 minute. 1 minute of mindful breathing. First thing in the morning, before you touch your phone, before you talk to anyone, just 1 minute. Eyes closed, hand on heart, rise and fall. Inhale and exhale. Do that for 7 days, then make it 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, slowly, gently, and calmly. Because mindfulness is not a race, it's a practice, right? Now, this is the important part. Mindfulness is not just on the cushion, it's in everything. Bhante used to say, if you can only be mindful during sitting, then your mindfulness is weak. Real mindfulness walks with you. So, I'm giving you 3 simple ways to bring mindfulness into your daily life. Number 1, mindful morning. Every morning when you wake up, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Feel your whole body from head to toe, and after getting fresh, take a piece of paper and write, today is going to be my peaceful day. Number 2, mindful eating. For just one meal today, at least one meal, put your phone away. Just eat, taste the food, notice the texture, chew slowly. You will be surprised how much you are missing, right? Number 3, mindful walking. Venerable monks walked 2300 miles, not in a hurry, not distracted, just walking one step at a time. Whenever you walk, just walk mindfully. Feel your feet, notice everything, and always be in the present moment, right? Before we close, let me tell you what mindfulness is not. Mindfulness is not about being happy all the time. Sometimes you will sit to meditate and feel sad, angry, restless. That's okay. Mindfulness is not about escaping life. Some people use meditation to avoid problems, but mindfulness teaches how to face problem correctly, right? And mindfulness is not about making you like anyone else. Mindfulness is about knowing your true nature. Buddha said something very beautiful. Your true nature is peace. Mindfulness is just removing the dust that covers it. Are you got it? Your true nature is peace. Mindfulness is just removing the dust that covers it. Are you got it? That's it. So don't try to become happy. Just remove the dust. Breathe by breathe, moment by moment, and you will become happy and peaceful. Okay? Before I go, I want to thank you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. And thank you to the person who wrote, I don't know how, I don't know where. Please help. This video is for you, and I hope it helped. Everyone, if you want more sessions like this, please comment below and let me know what did you learn today, what do you still struggle with, and what should I make next. And if you find this video helpful, share it with one person who needs it, because mindfulness is not just for Buddhists but for all beings, because everyone has a nose, everyone breathes to live, right? May you be well, be happy and peaceful. We will meet again in the next video. Namo Buddhaya.